Hello everyone, welcome to Competitive Scholar, and today's discussion will be on Jallianwala Bagh massacre and around 65 questions will be covered here. You will cover most of the questions from this one series only, and I request you to first try to answer all the questions by yourself, and then after you check your answer with me. So without any delay, let's start the session. Question number 1. When did Jallianwala Bagh massacre takes place? Option A 13 April 1919, option B 13th April 1918, option C 13th April 1921, option D 13th April 1920. And the correct answer is option A. Next, question number 2. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place under the period of option A Lord Chelmsford, option B Lord Curzon, option C Lord Minto, option D Lord Hardinge. And the correct answer is option A. Next, who ordered the firing on the unarmed crowd at Jallianwala Bagh? Option A Lord Curzon, B General Reginald Dyer, C Lord Irwin, D Winston Churchill. And the correct answer is option B. Next, question number 4. What law were the people protesting against during the Jallianwala Bagh gathering? Option A Indian Penal Code, B Vernacular Press Act, C Rowlatt Act, D Government of India Act. And the correct answer is option C. Next, question number 5. Who chaired the investigation commission into the massacre? Option A Lord Mountbatten, option B Lord William Hunter, option C Lord Curzon, option D Lord Cornwallis. And the correct answer is option B. Next, who was the Lieutenant Governor of Punjab during the time of the massacre? Option A Sir Michael O'Dwyer, B Lord Chelmsford, C Lord Irwin, D Sir Winston Churchill. And the correct answer is option A. Question number 7. What was the primary reason for the gathering at Jallianwala Bagh on 13th April 1919? Option A political rally, option B religious festival, option C sports event, option D peaceful protest. And the correct answer is option D. Next, Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in Amritsar, Delhi, Jalandhar, Lahore. And the correct answer is option A. Question number 9. What was the reason for the gathering at Jallianwala Bagh on that day? Option A. To protest against the arrest of nationalist leaders Satyapal and Dr. Saifuddin Kichlu. Option B. To protest against injustice and express their anger against colonial rule. Option C. To protest against the Public Safety Bill and Trade Dispute Bill, which were restrictive in nature. Option D. To protest the racial discrimination, abuse by senior officers, and use of the Indian troops in Indonesia. And the correct answer is option A. Next, Which title surrendered by Gandhiji during Jallianwala Bagh massacre, which was bestowed by the British? Option A, Kaiser-e-Hind. Option B, Hind Keshari. Option C, Rai Bahadur. Option D, Honorable. And the correct answer is option A. Next, question number 11. British government set up which committee to inquiry into the massacre? Later commission condemned the act by Dyer but did not impose any disciplinary action against him. Option A, Butler Committee report. Option B, Haddock Committee report. Option C, Hunter Inquiry Committee report or Disorders Inquiry Committee. Option D, Mudiman Committee report. Sorry. And the correct answer is option C. Next, immediately after the Jallianwala Bagh massacre in 19 April, who wrote several articles dealing with human rights violations? Option A, Benjamin Guy Homiman. Option B, Neeraj Badwar. Option C, Raju Bharatan. Option D, Anubhav Hunsle. And the correct answer is option A. Question number 13. Who among the following Asian Nobel laureate renounced his British knighthood as a symbolic act of protest against the inhuman cruelty of the British army to the people of Punjab? Option A, Rabindranath Tagore. Option B, Kailash Satyarthi. Option C, Subramanyam Chandrasekhar. Option D, C.V. Raman. And the correct answer is option A. Question number 14. Punjab was put under martial law, which meant that it became option A, unlawful for more than 4 people to assemble at a place. Option B, unlawfulness of Muslims serving in the British Army during the All India Khilafat Conference. Option C, unlawful strike was a criminal offence. Option D, unlawful association ordinance. And the correct answer is option A. Question number 15. In December 1919, the Congress session held at where President was? In that session, President was Motilal Nehru. Option A, Calcutta. Option B, Lucknow. Option C, Amritsar. Option D, Nagpur. And the correct answer is option C. Next. On March 13, 1940, at Caxton Hall in London, Udham Singh, an Indian freedom fighter, assassinated. Option A, Michael O'Dwyer. Option B, M.R. Joykar. Option C, Arur Singh. Option D, Abbas Tyabji. And the correct answer is option A. Question number 17. Who disapproved of Udham Singh's act, describing it as an act of insanity and stated, "We have no desire for revenge. We want to change the system which produced Dyer." Option A, Ottoman Caliphate. B, Satyapal. C, Saifuddin Kichlu. D, Mahatma Gandhi. And the correct answer is option D. Question number 18. On which festival did Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? Option A, Baisakhi. B, Guru Nanak Jayanti. C, Diwali. D, Holi. And the correct answer is Option A. Question number 19. Which one of the following, also known as Amritsar Massacre, took place on 13th April 1919? Option A. Killing of INA activist. B. Massacre of Jallianwala Bagh. C. Shooting of the Mahatma. D. Shooting of Curzon Wraith. And the correct answer is option B. Next, question number 20. To whom British Assembly praised him as the Lion of British Empire for his services to Britain and was given the Sword of Honor after Jallianwala Bagh massacre? A. C. H. Sittalbert. B. Pandit Jagat Narayan. R. Sir Michael O'Dwyer. D. Brigadier General Dyer. And the correct answer is option D. Who was given the task of writing the draft of the report of Congress Investigation Committee on Jallianwala Bagh massacre? A. Somanath Tagore. B. Sachindranath Sanyal. C. Mahatma Gandhi. D. M.N. Roy. And the correct answer is option C. Next, question number 22. The British government had decided to put most of Punjab under which law further prevented the assemblies of more than 4 people at a place? A. Forest law. B. Martial law. C. Revision of tenancy law. Tenancy law. D. Salt law. And the correct answer is option B. Question number 23. How did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre impact the Indian independence movement? A. It weakened the movement. B. It radicalized the movement. C. It led to a peaceful resolution. D. It had no significant impact. And the correct answer is option B. Next, question number 24. Which newspaper published General Dyer's justification for the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? A. The Times of India. B. The Hindustan Times. C. The Tribune. D. The Pioneer. And the correct answer is option A. Next, question number 25. Which Indian political leader organized a nationwide protest against the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? A. Subhash Chandra Bose. B. Vallabhbhai Patel. C. Motilal Nehru. D. Lala Lajpat Rai. And the correct answer is option D. Question number 26. Which British general defended General Dyer's actions in the British Parliament? A. General Haig. B. General Montgomery. C. General Robert. D. General Havelock. And the correct answer is option C. Question number 27. Who was the Lieutenant Governor of Punjab when India gained independence? A. Sir Michael O'Dwyer. B. Sir John Simon. C. Sir Evan Jenkins. D. Sir Bertrand Glancy. And the correct answer is option C. 28. Which Indian state declared a public holiday on the anniversary of the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Punjab, West Bengal, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh. And the correct answer is option A. Question number 29. Who wrote the book The Anatomy of a Massacre about the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? A. Khushwant Singh. B. Raja Rao. C. Amrita Pritam. D. Ramesh Chandra Datta. And the correct answer is option A. Which famous Bollywood movie depicted the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? A. Gandhi, B. Lagan, C. Mangal Pandey The Rising, D. Rang De Basanti. Answer is option C. Question number 31. What was the initial reaction of the British public to the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? A. Outrage and condemnation. B. Indifference and apathy. C. Celebration and support. D. Confusion and disbelief. And the correct answer is option C. Question number 32. Which Indian revolutionary group was formed in response to the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? A. Gadar Party. B. Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. C. Anusilan Samiti. D. Jugantar Party. And the correct answer is option B. Question number 33. Who designed the memorial at Jallianwala Bagh? A. Le Corbusier. B. Charles Correa. C. Edwin Lutyens. D. Benjamin Polk. And the correct answer is option C. Question number 34. Which Indian leader demanded an official apology from the British government for the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Subhash Chandra Bose. C. Mahatma Gandhi. D. Vallabhbhai Patel. And the correct answer is option C. Next, question number 35. How did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre impact the non-cooperation movement in India? A. It strengthened the non-cooperation movement. B. It led to the suspension of the non-cooperation movement. C. It had no significant impact on the non-cooperation movement. D. It resulted in the conversion of the non-cooperation movement into an armed struggle. And the correct answer is option A. Question number 36. Who led the Indian National Congress at the time of the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. B. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. C. Dadabhai Naoroji. D. Annie Besant. And the correct answer is option D. Question number 37. What role did women play in the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? They actively participated in the protest. They were not involved in the protest. They provided medical aid to the injured. They served as informants to the British authorities. And the correct answer is option C. 38. How did the British government justify the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? A. It claimed that it was necessary to maintain law and order. B. It acknowledged the mistake and apologized immediately. C. It blamed the Indian leaders for initiating violence. D. It denied that the massacre took place. Answer is option A. 39. What was the attitude of the Indian princely states towards the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? A. They condemned the massacre and supported the Indian nationalists. B. They remained neutral and did not take a stance. C. They supported the British government and criticized the protesters. D. They demanded independence from both the British and the Indian nationalists. And the answer is option C. Question number 40. Which famous Indian poet composed a poem titled Jallianwala Bagh in memory of the massacre? A. Faiz Ahmad Faiz. B. Sarojini Naidu. C. Sahir Ludhianvi. D. Ramdhari Singh Dinkar. And the correct answer is option B. 41. What impact did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre have on the Indian diaspora? A. It led to increased support for Indian independence among diaspora communities. B. It caused a divide within the diaspora with some supporting British rule. C. It had no significant impact on the Indian diaspora. D. It resulted in a mass migration of Indians back to India. And the correct answer is option A. 42. Who chaired the All India Committee on Jallianwala Bagh Massacre in 1919? A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. Annie Besant. C. Motilal Nehru. D. Syed Hassan Imam. And the correct answer is option D. 43. How did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre impact British public opinion about British rule in India? A. It strengthened support for British rule. B. It had no significant impact on public opinion. C. It led to a decline in support for British rule. D. It caused confusion and mixed reactions among the British public. Answer is option D. 44. What was the immediate aftermath of the Jallianwala Bagh massacre in Amritsar? A. Martial law was imposed in the city. B. The British authorities offered compensation to the victims' families. C. The protesters surrendered and dispersed peacefully. D. A curfew was imposed in the city. Answer is option A. 45. Which Indian leader described the Jallianwala Bagh massacre as a monstrous event? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. D. C. Rajagopalachari. And the answer is option A. 46. Which international event was taking place at the time of Jallianwala Bagh massacre? World War I, Paris Peace Conference, Russian Revolution, Treaty of Versailles. Answer is option A. 47. Which Indian city observed a general strike in protest against the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi, Chennai. Answer is B. 48. What impact did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre have on British-Indian trade relation? A. It resulted in a complete halt of trade between the two countries. B. It led to a temporary decline in trade, but it soon recovered. C. It had no significant impact on trade relations. D. It resulted in a boycott of British goods in India. And the answer is option D. 49. Which Indian leader described the Jallianwala Bagh massacre as an insane act? Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Subhash Chandra Bose, Motilal Nehru. Answer is B. 50. How did the British government respond to the recommendations of the Hunter Commission? A. It accepted the recommendations and implemented reforms. B. It rejected the recommendation and defended General Dyer's action. C. It formed a new commission to re-investigate the massacre. D. It issued an official apology to the victims' families? And the answer is option B. Next. 51. What was the long-term impact of the Jallianwala Bagh massacre on India's struggle for independence? It weakened the independence movement. B. It united different sections of Indian society against British rule. C. It resulted in the immediate attainment of independence. D. It had no significant impact on the independence movement. Answer is option B. 52. Which Indian organization condemned the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Indian National Congress, Muslim League, Hindustan Socialist Republican Association, All India Trade Union Congress. Answer is option A. 53. Who banned General Dyer from serving in India after the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? A. Winston Churchill, B. Lord Mountbatten, C. Lord Irwin, D. Lord Reading. Answer is option A. 54. Which British House strongly criticized General Dyer's actions in the aftermath of the massacre? House of Commons, House of Lords, the British Cabinet, the British press. Option A. What was the significance of the Baisakhi day on which the Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place? A. It was a religious festival. B. It marked the beginning of the Sikh New Year. C. It was a day of protest. D. Both A and B. And the correct answer is option D. 56. What was General Dyer's justification for the firing at Jallianwala Bagh? A. To disperse the crowd peacefully. B. To teach a moral lesson to the people. C. To protect the British government. D. To prevent the spread of rebellion. Answer is B. 57. Which act passed by the British Parliament in 1919 was seen as a direct response to the unrest following the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? A. Government of India Act 1919. B. Indian Independence Act 1947. C. Rowlatt Act. D. Montagu-Chelmsford Reform. Answer is option A. 58. Which prominent figure wrote a series of articles in Young India condemning the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, B.R. Ambedkar, Lala Lajpat Rai. And the answer is option B. Question number 59. What was the official response of the British Parliament to the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Full support to General Dyer, condemnation and disapproval, ignorance of the incident, immediate grant of Indian independence. Answer is option B. 60. Which of the following was not an immediate consequence of the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? A. Resignation of Indian members from the Viceroy's Executive Council. B. A surge in revolutionary activities. C. Implementation of the Simon Commission. D. Boycott of British goods. Answer is option C. 61. Which well-known Indian freedom fighter was present at the Jallianwala Bagh gathering but escaped unharmed? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Bhagat Singh's uncle Ajit Singh. D. Vallabhbhai Patel. Answer is option C. 62. Which Indian leader famously called the Jallianwala Bagh massacre a grave error of judgment? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Mahatma Gandhi. Winston Churchill. Lord Chelmsford. Answer is C. 63. What was the reaction of the British public towards General Dyer after the massacre? Outrage and condemnation, support and admiration, indifference, demand for his trial. Answer is B. 64. Which Indian leader resigned from the Imperial Legislative Council in protest against the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Mahatma Gandhi, Rabindranath Tagore, Motilal Nehru, Shankaran Nair. And the answer is option D. So here we have finished mostly all the questions related to Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Hope you like the video. If you find it informative, then please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.